Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics Part 1 Standard 9th. Topic Polynomials Part 4. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 3 Polynomials Part 4. In this video we will learn value of the polynomials and practice set 3.4. Students, now we will see what is the value of the polynomial. If p of x is the polynomial in x, then the value of the polynomial for x is equals to a is written as p of a and is obtained by substituting the value of x as a in the given polynomial. Now, if p of x is equals to x cube minus 9x square plus 11x minus 8, then the corresponding value of p of x when x is equals to 1 is obtained by substituting 1 for x. So, in this polynomial, we are going to substitute 1 instead of x. So, p of 1 is equals to 1 cube minus 9 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 8 is equals to 1 cube, we will get 1 minus 9 into 1 square, that is 1. So 9 ones are 1 plus 11 ones are 11 minus 8 is equals to 12 minus 17 is equals to minus 5. Therefore, P of 1 is equals to minus 5. Practice set 3.4. Question 1. For x is equals to 0, find the value of x square minus 5x plus 5. Now here the solution is for the x is equals to 0. Now wherever you can see x, we are going to substitute the value as 0. So first we will write the polynomial as it is, that is p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 5. Now next step is p of 0 because x is equals to 0. So p of 0 is equals to 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 5. 0 square we will get 0 minus 5 into 0 again we will get 0 plus 5 will be as it is. So 0 0 will get cancelled and the answer is 5. So the value of polynomial when x is equals to 0, p of 0 is equals to 5. Question 2. If p of y is equals to y cube minus 3 root 2 y plus 1, then find p of 3 root 2. Here we have to find the value of p of 3 root 2. That means wherever we see y, we are going to substitute the value 3 root 2. So children, now we will see the solution. First we will write the polynomial as it is. P of y is equals to y square minus 3 root 2 y plus 1. Therefore, P of 3 root 2. Why we have taken 3 root 2? Because instead of y we are going to substitute the value 3 root 2. So P of 3 root 2 is equals to 3 root 2 square minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 1. Now 3 square is 9, root 2 square is 2, that is 9 into 2 minus again 3 into 3 we will get 9 into root 2 we will get 2 plus 1 as it is. So 9 to the 18 minus again 9 to the 18 plus 1. 18 will get cancelled. So the answer is 1. So P of 3 root 2 is equals to 1. Question 3. If P of m is equals to m cube minus 2m square minus m plus 10, then P of a plus P of minus a is equals to what? Now here we have to find out two values. First is P of A and then P of minus A. Then we have to add those two values. Then we will get the answer. So we will see the solution. First we will write the polynomial as it is. P of m is equals to m cube minus 2m square minus m plus 10. Now first we will find the value of P of A. So wherever you can see m, you are going to substitute A over there. So P of A is equals to A cube plus 2A square minus A plus 10. This is our equation 1. Now, we will find out the value of P of minus A. So, wherever we see M, there we are going to substitute minus A. So, minus A cube plus 2 in the bracket minus A square minus in the bracket minus a plus 10. When you solve the brackets, you will get the answer as minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. Now this is our equation number 2. Now the question is we have to add p of a plus p of minus a. So therefore p of a plus p of minus a, when we are adding it, we will substitute the value of p of a whatever we have got plus the value of p of minus a. So the answer is a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10 plus in the bracket minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. So when you open the bracket, you will get it as a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10 minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. Here a cube and minus a cube will get cancelled. Plus 2a square we will get 4a square, minus a plus a will get cancelled, and plus 10 we will get plus 20. So our answer for p of a plus p of minus a is equals to 4a square plus 20. Question 4. If p of y is equals to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7, then find p of 2. So here instead of y we have to substitute the value as 2. So the solution is p of y is equals to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. We have written the polynomial as it is. Now we will find the value for p of 2. So is it p of 2 is equals to 2 in the bracket 2 cube minus 6 in the bracket 2 square minus 5 in the bracket 2 plus 7 is equals to 2 into 2 cube we will get 8 minus 6 into 2 square we will get 4 minus 5 to the we will get 10 and plus 7 as it is, which is equals to 8 to the 16 minus 6 4 is 24 minus 10 plus 7. So after solving all this we will get the answer as minus 11. Therefore p of 2 is equals to minus 11. Remember this. To find the value of a polynomial for a given value of the variable, put the value in the place of the variable in each term of the polynomial. Thank you.